Happy Friday. It's Ann here. I just wanted to pop in and let you know about a great offering that I have right now. I did a Wheel of the Year Oracle card course back in January, and it requires us checking in every month to get the reading for the cards that we picked in January. And we did a 6-month follow-up last month in June, and everybody really appreciated being there. And I also offered a card. I drew some cards for the people at the gathering, and it was just a really wonderful way to get our chart journaled, and also create a little journal page. Some of people did. So the plan is, it was requested that we do this every month. So throughout the end of the year, I'm offering this on Mondays, the first Monday of the month, with the exception of July and September because of the holidays. So it's an hour and a half, and it doesn't matter if you weren't in the initial workshop, you still will have access to that workshop. So you can make a chart, or you could just make a 6-month chart. You could do like a half a wheel to get you through the end of this year. So I just wanted to just kind of take you through here and show you. So this is an example of one of the wheels. It's not the one that we did. But it's another one that I did in the past. And so each of these sections I drew at the beginning of the year, or you can do it on your birthday too, or you can just start in July. And then it's just a wonderful way to get some clarity and set some intention for the upcoming month. So I provide an audio reading for everybody. But what I'm offering here is more than that. This is to support you. And if you can't make a class, there will always be a replay available for you to watch after. And then these here are the dates. And as I said, we'll run through the end of the year. And these are a few of the folks that joined me for the one in June. And then, so as I mentioned, I have many different card decks. So with this group in June, I picked a card from each different deck, from 3 different decks. And each person chose the card before I flipped it over. And it was just a really fun way to end the session. And now that I'm adding an extra half hour, we'll even have time to journal on that card that comes up. So I really hope you'll join us. I think you'll find it inspiring and fun. And all you have to do is click the link below, and it'll bring you to this page where you can just click on join the monthly wheel class, and it will take you to the checkout information. And we will start next week on Thursday, July 6th. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.